Right now, a lot of us are into surveys, and there are so many people that are actually doing surveys right here. And the question that most of us ask is, which of the proxy am I supposed to use, or which is the cheapest proxy that I can use for my survey? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with IPCOOK Proxy. So right here, before you can actually get started on this platform, you will need to choose which of the package you already have in mind to go for. But nevertheless, I'm going to be showing you the packages they have and how you can go ahead having to activate the proxy you want to use for your service. Now, we have found that proxy is actually more stronger than VPN when it comes to location changer. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the process of which you can get started and how IPCOOK Proxy works and how you can get it activated. But before we proceed with this video, guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, let me let you know some things you don't know about proxy. When it comes to proxy, when you get it connected, most times some of you, it affects your data. Now, that is why it's always good to make a research, make sure you're using the right proxy and getting it connected the right way. Most times when you connect your proxy the wrong way, you're not going to be getting a connection that are linked to this proxy. But right now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how IPCOOK Proxy works and how you can get it activated and get started with your proxy. Now, when you come right here, you can see it says fast proxy, smart pricing, premium performance. Now, what this actually means is that the proxies are fast with your data. And right here you can see it says smart pricing, meaning the pricing right here is actually moderate for anyone to purchase, meaning you can get it at a very cheaper rates on this platform. As you can see, premium performance. Now, the total overview of everything is that you're going to be getting a premium performance when you start using this proxy. As you can see, IPCOOK Global ISP Proxy, built for AI, scrapping and automation with enterprise grade stability and unbeatable price. For you to get started is very simple. What you're going to be doing is to come right here and click start for free. But I will advise you, if you're actually having issues to set up an account for yourself, like signing up for an account, come right here to click on sign up with Google. So on several occasions, we have actually found out that some people will actually find some difficulty in signing up for free. So what you're going to be doing is to click on sign up with Google, and it's going to show you the process of which you can actually connect your already registered Google to your platform. Now, for instance, you actually want to sign up for free, come right here and click on start for free, and you're going to be coming right here to input your email address, your password, and click on sign up. Like I said, if you're having difficulty in this process, just come right here and sign up with Google. Now, since I have an account, what I'm going to do is to sign in and show you the process of this. So like I said, if you're having issues, just come right to sign in with Google, and it's going to direct you over to your email. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Alright, so I'm going to click on continue. So once I've selected that, you can actually see that I've been logged into my account successful. So I'm going to be showing you what you need to do to activate your own proxy and how you can get this running effectively, because the question that most people ask is, after connecting my proxy, I have issues with my data on my proxy. Okay, I'm going to be showing the process and how you can get your connection activated properly on IPCOOK Proxy. When you log into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. You're going to be seeing the dashboard, buy proxies, set up proxies, manage proxies, usage stats. So I'm going to be explaining this one after the other so you can know what you have to do when you set up an account for yourself. Now, this is actually dashboard, and this is where you can actually get to see some things on your account. So let me come right here so you can understand what I'm explaining right here. This is the interface and this is the dashboard. Now, if you want to go ahead to get your proxy, it is very simple. You're going to come right to buy proxy. Okay, but before that, let me quickly make this very visual so you can see it. Let me come right here and turn this to desktop mode so you can quickly understand where I'm actually going to. So I want you to see the full process of you getting your details complete on this particular platform and setting your proxy properly to get started on this particular IPCOOK.com. Now, when you set up an account for yourself, the purpose of you coming into this platform is to get proxies. Now, how do you get this proxy? What you're going to be doing is to come right to buy proxies. Now, when you come down to buy proxies, you are going to be seeing the proxies right here. Now, let me explain this the way you're going to understand. Since we have dashboard, buy proxy, set up proxies, manage proxies, and usage start. Now, when you come right here, you're going to be seeing the residential proxy, the ISP, and the data center. Now, you actually want to get proxy since you are into service. What you're going to be doing right here, you can actually see the breakdown before you can go ahead to get this proxy. Now, this says 55M plus dynamic residential proxies. These are just giving you a breakdown of it, which you are going to be getting 99.9% right here, success rate. Okay, now these are rotating IPs and also sticky IPs, and you also get locations of about 185 right here, and there are subs 5 proxies. Now, this is what you're going to be doing. Since you actually want to get this proxy, you can see we have the residential proxy right here. We have, this is the planned pricing. The planned pricing actually differs right here. You can see that this is actually 3.2 GB. Now, this 3.2 GB, you can see the package right here. This is the total package you are going to be getting. So this is also the breakdown you're going to be getting. This is it, 1 gig traffic, stick time to about 24 hours. Now, the sweetest thing about this is that this is just like pay as you go. So when you're done with your proxy, you can go ahead to off this proxy, and you're not going to be deducted any proxy from your account, as this is just like a data. Now, you can see right here, if you want to go ahead, you can just come right here and click on buy. Now, once you've seen this, you can actually see that this 3.2 GB, you can actually use this for a couple of days, depending on how you use your data and how you use this proxy. Now, if you actually want to go through this, all you just need to do is to come right here and click on buy. Now, right here under best seller, you can see that their small enterprise is actually 0.8 GB, which is not even up to $1. Now, you can see the package, total package right here. That is if you actually want to get this. Now, these are package by package, so depending on what you can afford, just go straight to it. So let's say you actually want to get this, just come right here and click on buy now. So once you click on buy now, you're going to be seeing the order summary, which is 1 gig, and you're going to be getting this for $3.2. Now, this is the time limit, so it is actually unlimited. So this is actually the processing fee, which is 0.1, and this is actually your $3.3. Now, you can actually see that they have a start free trial. So once you click or check this particular stuff, you are going to be getting this for a free trial for this package. So right here, you can see that you're not paying any dime to get started with this. So you can see that this is actually giving you access, just like every other platform, to start up their platforms to get their proxy for a free trial. Now, this is going to convince you. What they are trying to do is that you're going to be starting this proxy, having this proxy for free. Okay, so right here you can see that you're not going to be paying a dime. Now, what is their method of payment? Okay, I just don't want to be too fast. I want to actually get this. Now, you can see that I turned this on. That is why I am not giving any amount to pay right here. You can see that right here. But subsequent times you'll be given access to make payments. So they are giving you free trial because you're new to this platform. So how do you make payment right here to get started with this? Because you actually need to add some payment method before you can be able to use their free trial. So right here you can see they said payment method. You can see it right here. So these are different payment method, but right here what I would advise you do is to come right here. You can see we have the balance right here. So there are so many methods you can use to make payment. So what you're going to be doing is to come right under local payment. So once you click on local payment, you can come right here and see bank card. You can come right here and see some other ways you can use to make your payment, and come right here and continue to pay. So once you click on continue to pay, it's going to direct you to the next feature. So you can see that this was a success because actually I am getting this as a free trial to get started with this IP. So what you're going to be doing is to get any of these IPs and start running it as easy as possible. Now, I'm actually making this video so you can also know that you can start on this platform with no funds on your account, because what you're to be getting is actually a free trial, but subsequent times you'll be charged for your proxy. So what this platform does is that they are actually wanting you to test this proxy and confirm them yourself before going ahead to start purchasing them. Now this is a guaranteed way of you getting to trust this IPCOOK proxy. So they actually want you to test it, which some other platforms will not actually give for free. So you are going to be testing this and seeing how it works on your branded, your free cash, and every other survey platforms you are into. Now if you actually found that the proxy is actually strong enough and good, better than the one you're using, you can then come right here and make payment to start using other proxies. Okay, so right here you can see that they have so many packages you can go for. So this next option says set up the proxy. Now once you've gotten this proxy, you need to set your proxy. Now we have residential proxy and we have ISP proxies. So right here what we get for service is actually the residential proxy. So come right here and click on the residential proxy. So right here you are going to be setting up your proxy just like the way I explained in Jonex and Peer proxy, like every other proxies. So you're going to come right here and select the country. Now every proxy actually gives you access to purchase the proxy first of all, then you need to set up your proxy. I don't know if you get that. You need to purchase a proxy. That's another part. Then another part is you setting up your proxy. Now this is the setting up of your proxy. Come right here and select the country. Now mostly what we use for surveys is actually United States and United Kingdom. So right here I'm going for the United Kingdom, and so the logo or the identifier of United Kingdom is actually GB. So you are going to come right here and select GB. So you are going to come right here and select the city or state depending on your specific. So it depends on who is actually running this. So right here you can see that we've set this. Then protocol should be SOX 5. Okay, your protocol should be SOX 5 depending on you. Okay, depending on you, but normally you're supposed to put it at SOX 5. So rotation is actually coming right here. You can see we have the sticky and the randomized IP. So what I always pick is sticky IP. Now the difference between sticky IP and this randomized IP is that sticky IP actually sticks to one IP. I recommend you use sticky IP if you're running branded or any other platform that are very strict. So we are going for the sticky IP right here. Then you are going to come right here and select one, and the minutes right here can also be minutes or hours. Now once you've selected that, the next thing you want to do right here is to put in your proxy host name and the port. So this proxy host name and the proxy port is what you're going to be getting when you purchase your proxy. Now you can actually see that I just filled all this space right here. So these are what you're going to be setting. Proxy host name is actually automatically filled right here. So the port is actually here, and you can come right here and choose account. You can come right here and add any sub account you actually have on your account. So once you've added that, what you're going to be doing next is to put in your username and put in your password. Now all these details you are going to be getting it on your proxy. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to come right here and click on save. Now once all these things have been put in place, the next thing you want to do right now is to come down to your account and start running this proxy. Now once you click on manage proxy, you are also going to be seeing the proxies you are actually managing on your account. So you can come right here and track your usage of your IPs or your proxy right on this platform, and you're going to be tracking everything that happens on your account. So right here what I'm going to do is to come right here, and you can actually see that these are actually what you get right on this platform. All you just need to do is to make sure you have purchased your proxy, and once you purchase your proxy, go ahead to connect this proxy. So it is actually easy for you to get started with this particular proxy. Now I recommend IPCOOK for you, so you can actually start up with it and get to understand. Now the reason why I recommend it is that normally some platforms will not give you access to free trial, but right here they are actually giving you access to free trial to purchase any of their IPs right here for a free trial. Then you get to understand how it works, and if it's actually successful at your end, and if it's actually something that you feel you enjoy, you can come right here and keep on using IPCOOK for your service and get to enjoy the offers after the free trial. So this is very simple for you to get started with IPCOOK. The first thing you just need to do is to make sure you've come right here to get your proxy. So you can see that right here. So you can come right here and select your plan you actually want to go for. So right here I just recommend you come right here and make sure you are going for the residential proxy, which is what we mostly use for service. Okay, so once you purchase your proxy, come right here and click on set up your proxies. Now come down to residential proxies, and you can see where to set up your proxy. Come right here, choose your country, choose your city, and select your protocol, might be HTTP or SOX 5. Come right here, fill out these details your proxy host name is automatically filled, which is the geo.ipcook.com. Then your port proxy will be automatically filled. Come right here, choose your account, then proxy username, proxy password, then come right here, save and generate. So that is how you can actually start up with IPCOOK and start using your proxy for service. However, if you actually want to add funds to your account, it is very simple. You can actually see where it says balance top up. So click on top up. So once you click on top up, you can see right here that they have the payment method and to add funds. Now you can come right here and add funds. You can see that currently my balance is actually $0. Now if you actually want to add funds to your account, like I showed you earlier, just come right here and select which method you want to use. You can see we have the local method right here. So you can come right here and put in your bank or any other means of adding funds to your account. So you can come right here and select this. So come right here and add funds to your account. So you can come right here and select the funds you want to add, the minimum you want to add right here. Then you can see right here that the minimum amount to add right here is actually 20 USD. So once you add that, you'll be seeing that you'll be getting processing fee of 3%. So come right here and proceed to add payment. So once you've done that, you'll be coming right here to continue to add funds to your account, as this is actually very simple and very straightforward. So that is how you can go ahead to add funds on your account. Now if you actually want to do some other settings to your account, or you want to get proper view of your account, you can come right here and view your account and do some other settings to your account. So that is how the platform works. It's actually user friendly. Anyone can have access to it, as you are going to be getting some benefit while getting connected with this proxy. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to get you started on proxies and also get you connected with your service. So if this video was helpful and you actually found value in this video, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. So if you have any questions regarding everything I said in this video, please feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to that. So see you on my next video and keep winning.